Have you ever stood in front of something so massive, so ancient, that it instantly makes you rethink your place in the universe? Because that's exactly what happened to me today. If you've ever wondered what a real meteor impact looks like, wait until you see this. After leaving Sunset Crater Volcano, I drove toward Winslow, Arizona to see something I'd only ever heard about, a meteor crater. I expected it to be interesting, but wasn't prepared for the scale of it. Nearly a mile wide, 550 feet deep, and created in seconds by a meteor traveling faster than anything on Earth. Standing at the rim, looking down into the bowl, I felt something shift. You realize how small you are, but in a good way. Like the universe is reminding you to stay humble. And when I sent the drone up, that's when the magnitude really hit me. From the air, the crater looks unreal. A perfect circle carved deep into the Earth's surface. You can see the layers, the shadows, and the scale in a way you just can't from the ground. Because some places are so big, your eyes alone can't comprehend them. Most visitors never see the crater like this. If you ever visit Meteor Crater, take your time at the rim. Read the history. Imagine the force that hit this spot 50,000 years ago. Understanding what you're looking at makes it feel even more powerful. Because travel isn't just about what you see, it's about what you understand. But the biggest moment for me happened next. As I watched the drone footage on the screen, it hit me. This crater is a reminder of how old this planet is, and how small our time here really is. And somehow, that made me appreciate this journey even more. Places like this just don't show you history, they give you perspective.